John the Diesel Man back here at the legendary nydiesels.com. We are redoing Paisley right now. Beautiful 2001 quad cab long bed. This truck is going to be like brand new. Nice clean truck from out west. Just pulled the motor out of her. Hello. We just got the motor out of her. She's going to be a wonderful, wonderful truck. Idaho truck, super clean. There's the engine. She's getting ready to be all torn down and redone. nydiesels.com. And there's the NV5600 manual transmission out of this truck, getting ready to be torn down and all be redone in this truck. Yeah, we build motors, we do everything. This is nydiesels.com. We're the best name in the game for second gen Cummins diesel trucks. So stay tuned, follow our YouTube channel, and guess what? If you follow us, you're in for some great stuff. Keep your turbo spooling, brother. Oh yeah, John at nydiesels.com or 607-423-7729. Catch you on the flip.